What's up guys, Dunny here from LD Mink, and this is a quick tutorial on how to install your wig in less than 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes. And all you need is a wig cap and your wig. So first what you need to do is take your hair out, slide your wig cap on and slide your hair under your cap. Now even if you're a sister with long, thick hair, you can still use the wig cap. It'll hold it in there. Don't worry, trust me. This method is perfect for beginners, or even if you're time poor like myself and just don't have the time to mess around with your hair in the morning. Now, there's a few things you need to know about the type of wig that you need in order to pull this off. The first is density. Now, density determines the thickness of your hair throughout. And I know we all want nice, thick hair, but you also want it to look really natural. So I look for a density of between 120% to 150% because that mimics the thickness of a real head and hairline a lot better than anything between say 200 to 200 plus. So density is key, ladies. You want it to look natural at the front of your head so that no one knows you're wearing a wig. The second thing you want to look for is a glueless wig. Now all that means is that it's a wig. You don't need to use any gels, any freeze hole sprays or any kind of glue to secure it to your head. So a glueless wig will let you just chuck it on and walk out the door. The third thing you need to look out for is the length of the wig and also the style of the wig. Many cheap synthetic wigs that you might get from Wish or Amazon are either super straight with no layering or framing around the face, or they have this massive curl at the ends. Now that's a super dead giveaway if you are wearing a synthetic wig. The other thing you need to look out for is the length. So not only do they have a super straight style or a massive fake looking curl, they are also super long. So you'll get wigs that are longer than say 20 inches, and that again is a dead giveaway that it is a wig. So you want a wig that is between, I'd say, 12 to 16 or 18 inches if you're looking for a more natural look. And that's it. That's all you need to know really to lay your wig in under 2 minutes. And if you want to find some natural looking wigs, then check out our eco collection on www.ldmink.co.nz. We've got lots of options there for different styles, different colors, different looks. So check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe so you are in the know when I release more how-to videos and tips and tricks.